Welcome to Module 4.2, where we'll explore the philosophical foundations of qualitative research. Understanding these paradigms is essential because they shape how researchers conceptualize reality, knowledge, and the research process itself. In this module, we'll examine interpretivist foundations, explore other important qualitative paradigms, and contrast these with the quantitative paradigms we discussed last week. Qualitative research is primarily rooted in interpretivism, a philosophical stance asserting that reality is socially constructed rather than existing independently of human perception. According to this paradigm, multiple valid interpretations of phenomena exist rather than a single objective truth. Knowledge is understood as context-dependent, inseparable from the social, cultural, and historical circumstances in which it emerges. The researcher and participants are viewed as co-creating meaning through their interactions, rather than the researcher objectively extracting information. There's an emphasis on Verstehen, a deep understanding of the subjective meanings and lived experiences from participants' perspectives. This interpretive foundation provides the philosophical justification for qualitative methods that prioritize meaning, context, and perspective. Some other paradigms inform qualitative research, each offering distinct perspectives. Constructivism emphasizes how individuals and groups build knowledge through social interaction and meaning-making processes. Critical theory examines how power structures and historical forces shape experiences, with an explicit aim toward critique and transformation of social inequities. Feminist approaches center gender as a fundamental organizing principle while challenging traditional knowledge hierarchies. Postmodernism questions grand narratives and emphasizes the fragmented, contextual nature of truth, often examining discourse and power relationships. Pragmatism focuses on practical consequences and problem solving rather than abstract philosophical positions. Each paradigm influences research questions, methodological choices, and interpretive frameworks in qualitative healthcare research. Qualitative and quantitative paradigms represent different philosophical approaches to knowledge. Ontologically, qualitative research typically views reality as multiple and socially constructed, while quantitative research generally assumes a singular, measurable reality. Epistemologically, qualitative approaches view knowledge as subjective and co-created, whereas quantitative approaches emphasize objectivity and researcher detachment. Methodologically, qualitative research employs flexible, context-sensitive methods, while quantitative research uses standardized, predetermined procedures. Despite these differences, both approaches make complementary contributions to healthcare knowledge. Quantitative research excels at identifying patterns and testing relationships, while qualitative research illuminates meanings, contexts, and processes. Mixed methods research intentionally integrates both traditions, recognizing that complex healthcare questions often benefit from multiple perspectives.